Hello learners, this is Sunil Vishwakarma and today I am going to show you some basic functions for list. These functions are useful while working with list in Python. Okay, here first function is append function. First function is append function. What does when you want to insert new data, in a existing list, then you can use append method. But the append method adds a single item at a time, but at the end of the list. जो भी लिस्ट होगा उसके एंड में वो एंड में वो आइटम को ऐड करेगा. The syntax is this one. List name dot append dot value, जो आप वैल्यू देना चाह रहे हैं. Let's do that in Python script mode. Waiting for my IDE, Python IDE. It takes time. Okay. Go to file, click on new file. Let's start one by one task. Append method. First I have to create list. Let's suppose this is my list. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Now, I'm going to print my list, marks. Marks, you have to provide only list name under print section. Then execute it. Press F5 to execute. Function key F5. And then save your file. List function of list. इस नाम से मैंने सेव कर दिया. IDE progress didn't make connection. Either IDE can't start, a subprocessor personal firewall software is blocking the connection. Okay, let me start once again. Start. This is my original list. Now I want to add new number. For adding, Python provide three methods. First append, second is insert, and the third is extend method. So I'm going to use append method. Print. I want to create a line which repeats itself 60 times. Underscore line which repeats itself 60 times. Then I'm going to use append method. So for append method, I'm going to use a number provided by user. Okay, then I'm going to use one variable app equal to int enter input enter new data. Now I'm going to add this one over here. So I'm going to use my append method. As per syntax, first is list name. My list name is marks marks dot, then use method, that is append, append, append dot के बाद if you wait for some while it will pop up all the methods. अब जो नंबर आ रहा है वो इस पे होल्ड है, तो मैं इसको इसके अंदर पास करा दूंगा app. Again I'm going to print my array, list marks. Run. See, this is my original list. Enter new data. Let's suppose I am going to store 78 one more time. See, my original data and my original list and my next list. See, this data is over here, added over here. So append method add a new item at the end of the list. Okay. Now next is insert method. What insert method does? It is also used for insertion. Insertion means to insert data, but you can insert anywhere in a list. But the most important thing is you should know about its index position, or say its position in a list. Sorry, you must know the index numbers at which position you want to insert that value. So I'm going to use insert method. This section to copy it. This repeat itself by 60 times. Then I'm going to use insert method. इस तरह से पता चल जाएगा. तो इंसर्ट मेथड के लिए भी मैं एक अच्छा उसमें दो चीजें पास होती है इंसर्ट मेथड में. फर्स्ट इज योर इंडेक्स नंबर at which position you want to insert your value, and the second is your data. Okay, let's start. Print want to insert new data. So ind इंडेक्स के लिए मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ int input enter index number. वैल्यू के लिए well input enter new data. I'm going to use insert method. So as per syntax, list name, my list name is marks dot insert. See, if you wait for a while after putting dot, it will provide a list of methods over here. So I'm going to use insert bracket start. So in index, in insert, at first position it always take index number. So I'm going to use ind because ind hold index number, then comma, then use value. Again I'm going to print my list marks. Again run. Okay, see this is my original list. Enter new data. Let's say 400 according to append method. Now I'm going to use insert method over here. Now this is my list 0, 1, and the index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's suppose I want to insert at first position. So here this is 0th location. So 0. Then I want to insert 96 over here. See, आ गया 0th पोजीशन पे और ये अपने आप ही आगे शिफ्ट हो गया. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 elements. Now it becomes 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the next is Now the next is extend method. You know what extend method does? Extend method is also used for to insert a data, but it add multiple items. It add multiple items. You know, extend method adds multiple items, but it adds at the end of the list. In these two methods, first one is insert and append method. They add one element at a time, but extend method add more than one element at a time, but at end of the list. Got it? And it takes the value in the form of list. Extend method add value in the form of list. Let's suppose I want to add print this section repeats itself 60 times. Print extend method extend method. Let's suppose this is my marks in Hindi or say English, ing or say marks ले लिया हमने in the form of list. Let's suppose 67, 45, 67, then 34, then 89. These are my marks, and these are in the form of list. Now I want to add all these marks in my marks list. Let's do that. marks dot extend bracket start. Now I'm going to provide my over here. Then I want to print my extend. Is that right? extend. Okay. Now I'm going to print my list once again. Run. Okay. Wait for compiler. Sorry, interpreter, not compiler. Oh, something is messy with my IDE. Waiting for my interpreter. See, it execute. First, this is for append method 67. Then this is for insert method. Let's index value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Third location, and the value is 100. See the extend method. use of extend method. See, use of extend method. See, 67, 45, 67, 34, 89. 67, this is the last value over here, and these are my marks in the form of list. An extend method accept only marks that are in list form. Okay, 67, 45, 67, 34, 89. See, so there are three methods to enter data in a list. First one is append, insert, and the third one is extend. In